Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. So I'm so excited to film this video again. Yes, you heard that right. I already filmed this video and for some reason when I uploaded it to my editor it just wouldn't export. I had the video all edited, loved the way it looked, but every time I tried to export it to YouTube, it just wouldn't work. So that file was trash and now we need to make a new one. So let me show you what we're making since I have the finished pair directly in front of me. So let me just show you. So let me show you guys what I started out with. These white canvas pair of van looking shoes. They're not Vans. They're Michael's brand, I think. There's no brand to them. But they're just plain white shoes. They were regular $8, on sale for $6. I mean, come on. A pair of shoes for $6 that you can DIY, you can't beat that. That's amazing. And then this is the finished product. I wore them out the other day, so I'm not going to show you the bottoms. But this is what they look like. They look so cool, and I really wish that video worked for you guys, but you know what? We're going to make a better pair now. These I used blue, jewels, I used pearls, and then around the shoe, which I will show you, is a keychain. So let me show you everything that you are going to need to make a pair of these. I'm going to be using different colors, so they're not going to be exactly the same because who wants two of the same pair of shoe? I don't. I want the same kind of shoe, but different colors, you know? This shoe I'm going to make rainbow style. These are the keychains. They are $5.99 each, but if you use a Michael's coupon, they might be on sale, but everything that I got today was not on sale because it was already lowered down in price or the everyday sale price in the store. So these ones I don't think were on sale, but this is what the keychain looked like. That is around this shoe, just a different color. I cut them off of the chain and then just glued it around, but I wanted to do another color that was super fun. I don't know what I'll wear with it. I wear black all the time, so I think that will be a nice staple piece. So these are all by the brand Bead Landing, and they're really affordable. They're only $8 a pack, and this is what this one looks like. This is why we're going to be using rainbow, because I got rainbow jewels, which are going to look so cool on these shoes. And then I also have pearls, which I used on my last pair of shoes, but I mean, you can never have enough pearls, am I right? And the amazing thing is, you guys can see, I used a good amount of jewels and pearls, but I still have so much left over for more projects. This is a fun, affordable DIY that you can do. The only thing that you won't have left over for other projects is going to be your keychains, but that's totally fine. You don't even need to use a keychain if you didn't want to. You could have the whole thing just be bejeweled. You could put pearls along the bottom. You could put just the jewels, one color jewel. So I just thought the keychain kind of added a little something something, but you don't need it if you don't want it. And the last thing that is mandatory for this project is some E6000 glue. This is an industrial strength adhesive, and I use this for everything, so you definitely need that. A wax pencil, you don't need it. I need to buy a new one, but it's nice to have. I like to put my jewels out on the table, which you guys will see in a second, and just kind of pick them up. And the last thing I like to use, which you probably already have in your house, is some Q-tips, because I like to just wipe the glue on with the Q-tip. It makes, a little bit more of a mess free, even though this glue gets very messy. So I know I use Swarovskis in a lot of my videos. The past blinging videos, I've only used Swarovskis, but most of the time I do love to use these type of jewels and bedazzled crystals because I can make more than one pair, unlike the Swarovskis where you can only make one thing. I could make 6 pairs of shoes if I wanted to, because look how much I still have left over from project number 1, which is a pair of shoes. So many. And the cool thing is, with these shoes, they cost me around $30 because I decided to add more detail to them. But if you wanted to just buy the one thing of jewels, the glue, and the shoes, literally it would cost you under $20. But if you want to be a little extra like me and spend an extra $10, you can add a little bit more bling. So with that being said, let's start this fun DIY, and I hope that you guys enjoy. If you make a pair of these, make sure to tag me on Instagram at ItalianDiva13. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, the rainbow and the pearls. This is what we started off with. Of course not with the rainbow around it, but you saw me add that a little earlier. But I'm going to bling this one out now, just the way I did this one. I will post pictures on my Instagram of me wearing them when they're all done. I will be having a weight loss update next on my channel, so hopefully you guys will check that video out, and I'll see you guys then. Bye!